students. Hope everyone are fine, doing well. Stay safe, stay home. So in the previous class, we have completed our exercise 2.2. So we will start with our next concept, that is patterns. So before starting, I request everyone to please open page number 24. 24 patterns in whole numbers. So in the last session, I have already informed you what are patterns and how. See, like patterns are like arrangement of students in a class. How do patterns like flowers when they in a field, how the pattern is like firstly they plant yellow flowers, then rose, or some other like crops also. So they follow a particular pattern. Then after this should come, right? So this is what the pattern is. So how is the arrangement? That is what. So see here in page number 24 they have given. We shall try to arrange numbers in elementary shape made of dots. The dots would be placed on a grid with equidistant point along the two axes. The shape would make any of these a line, a rectangle, a square, or triangle. Every number should be arranged in either of these shapes. No other irregular shape is allowed. So what they are saying, see here, arrangement of numbers. Here, every number should be represented with dots. So here we will use the patterns like a dots. So we can represent every whole number using dots. So it should form a specific like a shape. A line, a rectangle, a square, or a triangle, right? See, supposing if it cannot be formed in shape, either it can form a line, right? A single line of many dots. So here they are saying, let us see some examples. Now, if I have number 2, if I want to represent it number 2 in dots, I can represent using 2 dots. If I want to represent it 3, so I will represent 3 in a single line. So shape is a line. Now, if supposing it is 6, I can show it a rectangle. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. So every number will form a shape, right, using dots. So in page 25 they have given whole numbers can be shown in elementary shapes made of dots. Observe the following. So here every number, some examples I have given how which number is formed in which type of shape. What is the shape? Every number can be arranged as a line. Though if it is not able to form a shape, it can even form a line. So the number 2 is shown as 2 dots, number 3 is shown as like a 3 dots, and number 6 a rectangle, number 4 and 9 can form a square, like and other numbers like 5 to 5, 5 or 5 rows, 5 columns, 9 here they are showing 3 into 3 dots, 3 dots in rows and 3 columns we can find. So there are many numbers which forms these shapes like a line, rectangle, square and a triangle. So here below they have given a tabular form number, line, rectangle, square and triangle. So they have given a particular numbers and they asked you whether this number are forming line, rectangle, square or triangle. So already they have done first 4 for you, first 3. You can complete that box, right? Now let us move to the patterns of number, that is page number 26. Patterns of numbers. Now how do these numbers can be arranged? We can use patterns to guide us in simplified process. Why are we using this patterns to have for easy to simplify process, whatever the complicated values there, number is there, we can easily simplify them. We use the patterns. By seeing the patterns easily, we can write the next number, right? So here they have a small example: 296 plus 9. 296 plus 9. So see what they are saying first. So 296 plus 10 minus 1. So we can represent this 9 like 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now I will add this to 10. 296 plus 10. Whenever you add 10 to any number, we have done this addends. Whenever you add 10 to any number, what will happen? Whenever you add 100 to any number, what will happen? So what will happen when you add 10 to any number? The digit at its place will be increased by 1. Right? Whenever you add 10 to any number, the digit at its place will be increased by 1. Let us see 296 plus 10. I'll show you why it is increasing. See? 6 plus 0, 6. Whenever you add 0 to any number, your answer will be the same, that is 6. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry 0, 2 plus 1 is 3. See here it's 9, whereas here the answer is 0. So it has been increased by 1, that is 306 minus 1 is 305. Right, this is what So 305. 306 minus 1 is 305. So same second one they have given 296 minus 9. So again 10 plus minus 10 plus 1. Minus 10 plus 1 is. So for the second one they have written 296 minus 9. So for that 296 minus 10 plus 1. Plus into minus into plus. Minus 10 minus 1. 9 will get the 9 only. Okay. So first what we will do, we'll subtract 296 10 from 296. So it is 286 plus 1 is 287. 287. Similarly, they have given many examples for 99. 99 means we can do 100 minus 1, right? Whereas 999 we can do 1000 minus 1. What is it? 9991 means we can do 10,000 minus 1. So on, right? We can follow by using a particular like 10, 100 and 1000. We can, by using this pattern, we can solve our problem. So here they have given it like, let us see one more pattern here, 65 into 99 to multiply such a big number, 65 into 99. So simple number they have given 65 into 100 minus 9. 100 minus 1 is 99 only, right? So firstly we have multiplied 65 with 100. Right? They have done like this, 65 into 100 minus 1. 65 into 100. So that is 6500 minus 65 into 165. So they have subtracted, then we got the answer as 6435. So instead of doing complete the process of 65 into 99, that is multiplication of 2-digit number, instead of doing this, simply they have written as 99, 100 minus 1 and they have multiplied 65 with 100 and 65 again with 1. They have subtracted and we got the value. This is how we can use the patterns to solve the problem. See here there were many examples. Now let us start our exercise 2.3. Exercise number 2.3. Now what is exercise 2.3? First, study the pattern. They have given some pattern. Let us see what is it. First one is 1 into 8 plus 1 equals to 9. 12 into 8 plus 2 is 98. 123 into 8 plus 3 is 987. Oh, one more here. 1234 into 8 plus 4 is 9876. So 5 into 8 plus 5 is 9876. 5. This is what they have given. Try the next 4 steps. Can you find out how the pattern works? Now they are telling us to see the pattern, observe the pattern, write the next 4 numbers. So let us see first the pattern. 1 into 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Next, if you see, they have increased this number with 2. 1, 2, and here also there is an increase of 1. That is 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 98. Here 1, 2, 3. Here they have added one more number, that is 3. And here they have added 3. 987. So here as it is increasing one number, here there is a decreasing of number. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. The numbers will start, but the end numbers will be decreasing, and here the numbers are increasing. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The center numbers are the same, that is multiplying with 8. So what? Now we can write? Yes. So what are the next 4? Simply we will increase here one number and we will decrease here one number. So are we doing any calculation here? No. By seeing the pattern, we are writing the next number. That is, what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, we have increased with 1 into 8 plus 6. See, here is also increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next will be 6 is equals to. Now what we say here, there is a decreasing of one number. 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So next will be, very good, it is 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. See how easily we have done without any problem, solving this problem, what to do into multiplication then addition, we got the answer. So next let us write one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Increased into 8 plus 7 is equals to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Again, this is after 4 we have decreased to 3. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 8 plus 8 is equals to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next, one more number we should write. So I will write here. Next, till here we got 8. Next number should be 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 8 plus 9. Here is also increases now. 6, 7, 8 is 9 is equals to, now the last number is 1. Till 2 here we got 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So here we'll get 1. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is what the next 4 numbers. Simply we have observed, we have seen the pattern and we have written the next numbers. So here starting is 1, next is added 1 more 2, here 3, 4, 5. There is increasing in the starting. Then the number is the same, 8, multiplication of 8, and again here there is an increasing after 1, 2, 3, 4. So here on the LHS side there is an increase of one number, whereas on the RHS left side, right hand side we have, it has been decreased by 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Next we have written 4, 3, 2, and last is 1. Hope it is very clear how we have done. Yes. Now let us see the next one. I hope you can do this. Study the pattern. Try the next 7 steps. Check whether the result is correct. So what we are going to do first one is, I will just give you the hint, you can do it. See, 91 into 11 plus into 1 is 1001. 91 into 11 into 2 is 2002. 91 into 11 into 3 is 3003. So if you see, the pattern is increasing by 1. Both on the left side 91 into 11, 91 into 11, 91 into 11. But here is 1, 2, 3. As we are increasing the number here on the RHS part also, here it is 1000, here it will be 2000, 3000. So the next number will be, right, is 4000. You will multiply with 4 and you will get here 4004. You will multiply with 5, you will get 5005. You will multiply with 6, you will get 6006. Right? So on. So we should write next 7 numbers. Okay? I hope you will try this. So let us move on with the last problem. How would we multiply the numbers with 9 mentally? What is the pattern that emerges? Now let us see what is the pattern and how to do. Last one, that is from third bit. Yes. So now firstly what they are telling, how would we multiply the numbers with 9? So they have given 3 different numbers and they are telling us to multiply it with 9. So multiplying with 9 is again a very big task, right? So it's a very big number. So what we will do, simply we will write 10 minus 1, right? 9 we can write as 10 minus 1. That number will multiply with 10, then subtract with 1. Yes? Let us do it. This is not third, that is third question. So what is the answer we have first is? First let us write Roman number 1. So 1, 3, 6, 8, 0, 3, 4, 7. We should multiply this with 9. This is the first one, right? So what we will do, like patterns, here they have been page number 26. How we have done into, right? So 1, 3, 6, 8, 0, 3, 4, 7 into 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now what we will do, we will multiply this with 10. So what is the multiples of 10? When we will multiply any number with 10, firstly we will multiply the whole number with 1. Any number multiplied with 1 will get the same number. And how many zeros are there? 1. That 0 will write it at the end in the result. So it is 1, 3, 6, 8, 0, 3, 4, 7, 0. minus. Again this whole number when we multiply with 1 we get the same number. So 136. So better we write in the next line. Minus 136803447. Now we will do subtract. Now 7 we cannot subtract from 0, so we will borrow from here. This will be 6. 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 4, that is 2. 4 minus 3 from 4 is 1. 3 minus 0, 3. We cannot subtract 8 from 0. Again we will borrow from here. This is 7. This is 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 1. So this is our answer. See what is the pattern? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what we have done, simply into 9 means 10 minus 1. We have multiplied this with 10. Again same number with 1. Nothing but our distributive property. A into B minus C. AB minus AC. A into B minus C. AB minus AC. Right? The same way we will do the next one. I hope you have written. So the pattern is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So next one, 3, 5, 7, 0, 2, 3, 6, 9 into 9. 3, 5, 7, 0, 2, 3, 6, 9. So now what we will do, as it is multiplication of 9, we will write 10 minus 1. Let us write it 3, 5, 7, 0, 2, 3, 6, 9 into 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. So simply when you multiply this number with 10, we'll get, at last we'll get a 0. Right? Multiples of 10. This whole number multiplied with 1, lastly we have written 0. Minus. Now this whole number is multiplied with 1. So what we'll get? 3, 5, 7, 0, 2, 3, 6, 9. 0 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 0, so we will borrow from here. This will be 8. This will be 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 minus 6, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 0 from 7. 7 from 0 we cannot do, so we will subtract, we will borrow. This is 6. This will be 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. Again 2. So the pattern is 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So last third one, I think that simple one number you can multiply with 9. Same pattern you are going to follow. Just write 10 minus 1, multiply it and subtract the word. You will get some pattern. So what we will write at the end, see what is the pattern that emerges. So what we will write, when we multiply the given number by the product. So after writing this, so when we multiply the given number by 9, the pattern is in this form. You can write this statement at the end when you have done the third one, right? When we multiply the given number by 9, the pattern is in this form, like 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and one more you will get the same type of pattern. With this we have done with our chapter number 2. Exercise 2.3 is done and chapter also has been completed. I hope whatever the notes I have sent you, you have done it. Writing key points in the starting, then starting of our exercise, then writing the properties, formulas, then our exercise. I hope whole chapter is very clear to you, and soon we will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.